Amid the green energy wave,
JWEI steers with innovation as its oar.
sailing towards sustainable future. When rooftop shingler panels harmonize with advanced cutting equipment, a remarkable photovoltaic narrative unfolds.
Can you imagine? This vibrant garden isn't on the ground. It floats in the sky on the fourth floor of JWEI headquarters. For over 30 years, JWEI has pioneered intelligent cutting solutions, propelling industry advancement through technological innovation. In 2025, we launched a photovoltaic power station across our 50,000 square meter sunlight factory, harnessing green energy to drive intelligent cutting systems, while our equipment empowers solar manufacturing. Behind me rises Ningbo Center's majestic silhouette. Beside me stand 1029 solar panels, core components of JWEI's Sunlight Factory Charging Station, annually generating 500,000 kilowatt-hours of clean electricity, equivalent to eliminating 416 tons of CO emissions. This embodies our commitment to China's dual carbon strategy.
Our cutting technology, engineered for photovoltaic materials, integrates advanced synthesis systems and high-precision transmission mechanisms, delivering flawless cuts for PVB, EVA and beyond, whether intricate patterns or micron-level tolerances. Our solutions exceed expectations. Choose JWEI. Every cut you execute shares in solar energy's clean dividends. Every order you place advances tangible progress toward carbon neutrality. This is our dual promise, elevating productivity through technological excellence, forging sustainability through green innovation. Partner with us. Let sunlight energize every cut. Unite manufacturing with environmental stewardship.